How to claim your Sephora birthday gift. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can claim your Sephora birthday gift, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to claim your Sephora birthday gift, if you have your birthday gift card code or your reward code or anything like that, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You just have to go to sephora.com and add the products that you want to buy to your basket, which is also your cart. Once you do that, you can tap the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you tap the cart icon, you just need to go to the checkout process. Once you go to the checkout process, you can actually claim your gift, which is your birthday gift, online by simply selecting reward code. So scroll down here, you can see it says add promo or reward code, so which means that if you have your birthday code, you can just tap on reward code option, make sure to enter your promo or reward code, and then tap the place order option, and then you'll be able to basically claim your Sephora birthday gift. This way you will be able to claim your Sephora birthday gift. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.